Hey everybody, it's Mary. I am here in my Canvas course because I wanted to show you that not only is it easy to use YouTube videos or anything else that has an HTML code to it, but it's also quite easy to upload a video file or audio file, other kinds of media files from your computer. So to show you this, I'm going to go ahead and edit this page. Okay, and once I'm in editing mode, all I'm going to need to do is position my cursor, and then in the editing menu up here on the top, if I go almost all the way over just before where the fonts get chosen, and choose this little film strip that says record and upload media. So I don't want to record something right now, although we'll be showing you how to do some of that in the workshop. I'm going to upload. And I can select either an audio file or a video file. So I'm going to select a video file, and it'll let me browse my computer. So let me find, how about this one? This is actually a Canvas video that I've created. So what's going to happen here is that as it loads, you see that the blue is starting to fill in. And this can take a little while, so I'm going to pause and wait till it gets farther. But once this blue bar fills, then this box is automatically going to close and show you the media. So let's see how long this takes. It was finished downloading completely. That other box actually disappeared, it closed, and now I have something that says this link will be replaced with a preview icon for the embedded media. So it's actually going to put a little player in here. It probably took 5 minutes or so for the entire video file that I had to load, and then it's going to take a little bit longer actually for this media player to process, and I don't know, maybe another 5 minutes. So it could be total 10-15 minutes for this process, whereas if you go and pull from YouTube it would be much quicker, but it is pretty easy to do. You just have to be patient or have other stuff you are willing to do while you're waiting for it to load. So let me go ahead and save changes. Okay, and for the moment, this just looks like a black box. It doesn't look like, oh, there it is. It actually came up here. So you now see that the player thumbnail has come up, and if I want to view it, then I click on it, and again, it's going to take a little while for this whole thing to process. So I'm going to pause this just until that's ready so I can show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, that actually only took about 2 minutes. Sometimes it takes a little longer to process the whole thing, but here's the thumbnail. If I hit play, the entire player comes up and my video is going to start. Okay, and the audio is working, everything seems like it's okay. And if I want to not have this take up so much real estate, I can just say minimize embedded content and it goes back to the thumbnail. So it's pretty easy to upload. It's a little more time consuming than it is to say use a YouTube video, but not difficult to do at all.